Hello everyone, welcome to the new video. And in this video I'm gonna be doing much needed upgrade to my first gen, and that's going to be a Borgeson steering shaft. And let me show you how much play my old rod had. So I also noticed that my steering gearbox is moving all over the place. So I'm gonna inspect that as well. Hopefully it's nothing major. Let me show you guys. Okay, so I got the steering box out of the frame, and this is what I found. Look at these nuts. They are totally backed out, and this one is loose, pretty loose too. So that's why the whole steering gearbox was shaking like bad. I'm gonna retighten them, put some red Loctite, and hopefully they hold it better now. Okay, I put a red Loctite on these bolts, and now I'm gonna tighten them to 130 foot-pounds of torque. Okay, so the steering gearbox is back onto the frame, and as you can see I have already removed the steering shaft, but the joint which goes over here was a pain in the butt to get it off. I had to literally cut it into pieces to get it out. I used air hammer, punch, and I just wasted my whole day just to get that thing out of there, but I was just giving up, so I just cut it. This is the new Borgeson steering shaft that I got against my old rod. This is the part number 000943. It's got universal joints on both sides. I could have gone with just a universal joint on one side and rag on the other side, but I heard that the rag also is not the best way to go. The rag can also have some play over the time, and so I think this is the better option. And but this is a little tricky install. Little few things I have to do extra. As you can see, the old rod is smaller than the new one, so which means I'm gonna have to do some cutting. Okay, for measuring the rod length, I put the upper joint onto the shaft coming from the cab, and I just lined it up, the rod next to it, and made a couple marks. Okay, so the shaft is cut to the length, and the instruction says we have to drill a hole, 3/8 hole here. I made a point using the set screw. This is the diagram. Okay, so everything is done to this rod here. Both the universal joints are on it. I drilled the hole and set screws are tightened, so now we are gonna put it back onto the truck. So we will need to scuff the gears on scuff the rod coming out of steering gearbox, so that set screw can set, and same thing from the rod coming from the steering wheel. let's do that. So I made a mark with the set screw on the shaft coming from gearbox, and then we're just gonna scuff it so that the set screw just stays there. Okay, so I'm using my Dremel to scuff that. The mark is made here. It's a very good tool to work in smaller places. All right, so everything is put back together. Everything is tightened, and uh, I'm really hoping that this would be a good upgrade to the truck, and I'm also glad that nothing major was going with the steering box moving. It was just the bolts backed out. I've heard that those brackets cracking, but the bracket was in good shape, and so I'm glad that's not a big issue. And so I hope that this takes away all the play in the steering system, and I'm gonna go test it out now. All right guys, it's been a few days since I did my upgrade, and I am really happy with it. The steering is tight, there is no play whatsoever, and I am enjoying this. I totally recommend this product, and if you like this video, make sure to subscribe my channel. I have lots more videos coming up, so like and share my channel, help it grow. Thank you very much.